Hello everyone, and welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to crop a window capture in OBS Studio. Cropping is a great way to refine your scenes and focus on exactly what you want your audience to see. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more useful OBS tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open OBS Studio and make sure you have a scene ready. To add a window capture, go to the Shush Sources box at the bottom of your screen and click the plus shoe button. From the list, select Window Capture. Click OK in the dialog box that appears, and then select the window you want to capture. For example, once selected, click OK to confirm. Step 2. Now that your window capture is added, you might want to adjust its size or crop it. To resize, simply click on the edges or corners of the source and drag to fit your needs. To crop the window, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard. While holding the key, click and drag any edge or corner of the source. As you drag, you'll notice the window being cropped. This allows you to remove unwanted parts of the captured window. Step 3. You can crop from any side, left, right, top, or bottom, to focus on exactly what you need. Release the Alt or Option key when you're done cropping. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.